In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect Shopify with Amazon so that you can start earning commissions when someone buys the product from your Shopify store. Now I'm going to be showing you how this whole thing works in just a few seconds. First thing you need to do, guys, to connect Amazon with Shopify. First, let me show you what we are going to do. Okay, now we are going to use an app. It's called Sprada. It helps you guys import and sync products from Amazon. You can dropship Amazon products and earn affiliate commissions at the same time. Now the Amazon Sprada app that I told you guys allows you to import and sync products from Amazon to Shopify in just a few clicks. Okay, you can earn Amazon sale commissions when someone buys the product. By the way, like, Amazon manages the shipping and returns and inventory and customer support, so you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is to focus on other aspects of this business, which I'm about to mention in this video. Okay, you just need to watch this video till the end so that you can do the exact steps that I'm about to show you in this video. That I would highly appreciate if you can, guys, drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. What you guys need to do, you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, that's the first step. You want to open your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Okay, here, apps and sales channels. And then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after that, you need to search for Sprada. Okay, the app Sprada is going to help you guys, like I said, connect Amazon with Shopify. Now I'm going to explain this to you in a few seconds. Now in the top, you want to search for Sprada and then click enter, and you want to download the app. It's called Sprada. As you can see, Amazon Importer Sprada app. You want to click on that app and then you want to click on install. Okay, now in the next step, guys, what you guys need to do next is you want to click on install again. Okay, in the next page, what you guys need to do, it will just display like this is the website of Sprada. Okay, now after you download the app, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, the app is going to take you to this page. Now as you can see, this is the website of Sprada. What we are going to do right now is first, okay, the first step, you need to create you need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. That's the first step, of course. Okay, so that you can start earning commissions each time someone buys the product from your Shopify store. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this. Okay, you just need to search for Amazon Associates on Google and you want to click on amazon.com associates. Okay, and as you can see, I already I joined the Amazon Associate. As you can see here, I already have an account there. I can now start promoting these links, affiliate, like any product on Amazon. I can promote them on Shopify, and if someone buys the product from me, I am going to earn a commission on from Amazon. Okay, each time I receive a sale on Shopify, I'm going to earn a commission. Again, this is I'm going to explain this, how this whole thing works. Okay, I know this is a little bit confusing, but it does feel a little bit confusing, but this is really easy. It doesn't really take any of your time. This is an easy business. Okay, now what you guys need to do, like I said, is to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, Amazon, I'm going to search for Amazon Associates. Okay, and then you want to click here, or it says here amazon.com associates. Here you will have to click on sign up. Okay, make sure you already have an account on Amazon, and you just need to enter here your information, and then you want to just follow the steps. You will ask you guys for the website. You just need to add the random YouTube channel there. So that's like, they will ask you where you are going to promote our products. Just add there where they say the website. You just need to add the URL of YouTube channel, and then after you create an Amazon associate, after you sign up for the Amazon associate, then you can start promoting products. Okay, like I said, just need to click on sign up, and you want to follow the steps. Now after you complete, this is how it's going to look. Okay, now what you guys need to do after you are on this page on Amazon Associates, you want to copy this ID. This ID is the ID we are going to use so that we can start earning commission each time someone buys the product from us. Okay, Now this store ID is very important. In the top right, you want to copy the store ID, okay, as you can see here, and then you want to go back to Sprada, and you want to just click on where it says here Amazon Associates. Okay, it says here join Amazon Associates program. It's free, and save your affiliate ID in the dashboard. Now if you click on settings, it will take you to this page, okay, where it says enter your Amazon affiliate ID, which is the ID that I copied a few seconds ago. Now I'm going to paste that ID here. As you can see, this is the ID. Now you want to click on save, okay. Now after, guys, you click on save, as you can see, it says here update successfully. So now I have entered here my associate ID. Now each time I import a product from Amazon to Shopify, I'm going to earn a commission. Each time someone, of course, buys the product, I am going to earn a commission. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how this I'm going to show you the features of Sprada in a few seconds, like some things to customize here. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go to Amazon. Okay, now as you can see, we are in the Sprada page, as you can see here. Now go to Amazon and find any product that you want. Just go to an Amazon account, because you will have this bar after you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. You will have this bar here in the top, as you can see, where it says Amazon Associates site Stripe. Okay, now you want to search for a product. For example, I'm going to search for makeup, okay, bag. Okay, this product, I want to import this product to my Shopify store. I just find any product here and copy the URL in the top right. I'm sorry, in the top, you want to copy the URL of the product, okay, which is this one, and go back to the Sprada app, and where it says here Amazon product link, you want to paste that link here and click on add product. Now as you can see, it says here Amazon and Shopify. Now they are importing this product from Amazon to Shopify. Now if someone buys this product from Shopify, I'm sorry, I am going to earn a commission. As you can see, it says here product added successfully. Now if I go to my own Shopify store, as you can see here, if I click on product, I will find this exact product inside my Shopify store. As you can see, this is the product, and people will be able to buy it. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to just customize this. Now as you can see, after you click on products, you want to click on the title, and then you want to change the title, make it unique, because you know the Amazon titles are really long and yeah, they are confusing. You just need to make a very cool title, make it unique. Okay, after that, you want to scroll down and you want to customize. If there is something wrong here, you just need to, you can increase the price, of course, but I don't recommend this. Okay, you can also add change the quantity. You can do a lot of things here, like you can add the weight of the product. After you finish, guys, after you change the title, you want to save this. Okay, this is now as you can see here, this is not the product we have imported from Amazon to Shopify. Now if someone buys this product, we will earn a commission. And if you go to Amazon Associates, you will find your earnings there. Okay, here as you can see here, you will find all your earnings. If you go to Amazon Associates, like I said, you will find all your earnings here. Okay, so what I'm going to show you next is, as you can see here, yeah, let me show you guys what you need to do next. Now we want to go to the Sprada app, as you can see here. Okay, you want to go to the Sprada website. As you can see, after you download the app, of course it's going to show you guys, as you can see, the features of Sprada. You will find here like tools, accounts. Now if you click on this button here, after you click on button, it says here bottom text view on Amazon. As you can see now, if someone, as you can see, it says enter the text to be displayed on the Amazon link button. Okay, you can either change this from view on Amazon, so that people will check, will buy this from Amazon. Okay, you will be able to, for example, when you go to your Shopify store, you will find here a view on Amazon. Now if you go to Amazon, you will complete the purchase, and then you will earn a commission. Okay, or you can just change it to buy buy now or something like that. Okay, now as you can see the default values, you can check here the default values. As you can see here, the currency, you can change it to dollars if you like. I'm going to change the currency to dollars right now. Click on save. Like any changes you make here, make sure you click on save, and also mark a price. You can also mark the price, but like I said at the beginning, I don't recommend this. Just earn the commission from Amazon. You don't really have to increase this price. I don't recommend it because people will recognize that the item is overpriced and they will not buy it. Okay, so that's it. So you will just waste your money on advertising if you are going to advertise this product, for example, on Facebook or TikTok, or you are just using organic free traffic, but you are going to waste your time if you increase the price to, for example, 1,000. As you can see here, if you increase the price to some extent, like people will not buy the product from you. Okay, so you just need to leave it like it is. As you can see here, auto sync, as you can see, you can change a lot of things here, including the product price changes. Click like update price on Shopify as per Amazon. That's what you need to select here, or you can select take no action, but I recommend selecting the second option. Here analytics, you can see here analytics. As you can see, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, you can activate it. Now that's exactly, guys, how this whole thing works. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys in a few hours and tell you exactly, like I will answer all your questions. Just let me know in the comments. By the way, drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. See you.